take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front full-feature leather-appointed bucket, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3,266 kilograms, sunroof, power, onyx black, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, jet black, leather-appointed front seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen navigation with Intelli-Link, FM Series from HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, steering column, manual tilt wheel and telescoping. Emissions: Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington. State requirements: SLT preferred package, tires, P265/65 R18 all-terrain, white outlined leather and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.